Hi everyone, welcome to the second video for Adobe XD on mobile device. During the last video, we showed you how to make a home screen for login, and today I'm going to show you how to make second other pages and how to work on it. Just like I said earlier, you can duplicate your page so that all of the elements in it gets copied. I recommend duplicating a page instead of creating a new one because this time our design might probably look different than what we uh, than our first page, but then usually most of the elements are consistent and even the fonts and everything are gonna be the same, so it's gonna be easy if you simply duplicate the elements. Though I'm going to delete the element, but I think if you keep on working with Adobe XD in the future, you'll see what I really meant by it. Now you can see that we have a new empty page. We are going to create a second page for our website. So let's start with a search on the top. Let's make it slightly bigger. Yep. And just like I showed you in the previous video, you can use it to curve it. And let's make an expandable. I can just copy paste and they are going to align. Yep. Or I could have okay, I could do that. And also I can add a text saying search. You can have them in the colors that you want, but I'm gonna let it be simple for mine, but then please feel free to go. Oh, I think I'm gonna fill it for this one. There's one more. Oh, or I could simply, there's one more thing that you could do. I could simply create a repeat grep and copy this. I'm going to show you more on these in just a few more minutes. You could have simply done that. Now let's see. There's let's for here. Let's say we want several tables. We have two options. One, you could copy, paste, try to align them. Let's see how it goes. Try to align them again, and then again copy them. Try to align. Try to align. Just keep on doing this. But instead of that, there's one more option that we can do here. Just like I did previously, I can select this particular grid and make it a repeat grid. And when I extend, I need two of them. And let's say I need three of them for here. This is what I can do. On one, I can change this. Yep. I can even fill out my color that way. My choices are really ugly, but then the color I chose are really ugly, but then please feel free to choose your own color and adjust them accordingly that and make sure they don't look this ugly. Here you can also add an image that you want. So I'm going to go to my download and just use the image that I had earlier, and just remember that they are in repeat grid. So if you copy one, if you make a change for one of the element, so it's gonna make change for all of them. So there's this we can do so that we can avoid this. We can ungroup the elements, or before we do that, I like to remove. Okay, at this point, I'd like to ungroup them and add the logo. So now you notice it's gonna make changes for the one, and let's do for the second one. Okay, let's do it over here, and I can add just for this. I can adjust how I want. So it's gonna remain inside this box, but then I can freely adjust the image inside. So this is how it's going to be. And remember, in my first video I said I'm going to show you something with prototype and share in my second video. So I'm going to show you in this video. Here you can see uh, for my prototype, uh, naturally when somebody signs in, I want to be redirected to this page. So I simply select on the sign in, and then I attach it to this particular page. And let's say you want to go back when somebody clicks this particular element, so you could do that. Or for several, you could also do this. And now if you want to see how your, now I'm going to rename this to menu. And let's say if you want to see how your pages function, you could go to share, and you can see that the cursor changes as soon as I hit sign up. When I hit the sign up, you can see this. And you might have also noticed there were few, the transition, you could make it transition, overlay, or any kind of animation that you'd like. And you can slide in, slide up accordingly to your need. You can adjust them, and you can also export these in various formats that you like, or you could share it with a link, or you could add somebody you want to collaborate with by simply sharing with them. First of all, if I want to share with somebody, I'll have to save it and then share it as a link. Or I could simply go to this particular link, and as you can see, I get my layout and my functions are gonna be here. And we can leave a comment so that the creator can see them and use their feedbacks. Here you can see we created a simple prototype for our website using simple tools. If you go to design, there aren't much features, but then there are few things, but you can create a lot using them. This is it going to be for the second video. Uh, if you haven't watched the first video, please go ahead and watch it before you watch this. And if you'd like to learn anything specific about Adobe XD, please let us know in the comments section, and feel free to share it with other people. Thank you.